Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to create folders and add games or applications to your folder on your PlayStation 4, and this is really easy to do. So all we need to do is locate the app that we want to put into the folder or game. So let's go to Overwatch and then press Options on it. Then we can go to Add to Folder when this pops open, and we can create a new folder on the top, or we can go to an existing folder right here. So let's go to Add to New Folder and just create something. So go to Name and just name it whatever you want. Let's go to FPS games or something like that for this folder. And then select Done here. Then we can select Content. Now choose the games or applications you want to add to that folder. So let's go to a few different FPS games, like maybe here's Call of Duty. Let's go to Confirm. Now Call of Duty will be added to this folder. Now we can go to OK. Here is the folder. So when you use a game in the folder will display right next to what's new to the left of the home screen here. You can go up to the top and go to Settings, and then go on down to System, and then you can go to where it says Limit Number of Content Items on the home screen. And you won't have like 40 or 50 games on the home screen here. And it'll take you forever to get to the library if you don't have that check mark. And you can go to the folder at any point and press Options on it. You can delete the folder, delete folder and content. So if we go to Edit Folder right here, we can rename it, and then we can select additional content to it. Otherwise, we can go over to the game itself and then add it to a specific folder, just like we did before. So let's add this to the games folder, and then we can sort the game in the folder as well. So if we want one game on the top, all we have to do is scroll on down to the game, select it with X, and we can rotate it left and right, just like that. And then go to OK. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.